Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use KuCoin in the UK. First, you will need to create your KuCoin account. You can easily register using a valid email address or a phone number. After registration, it is crucial to complete identity verification to unlock all platform features and benefit from higher transaction limits. For your safety, always enable two-factor authentication right away. It adds an essential layer of protection to your account. Once your account is set up, the next step is funding it. You can deposit cryptocurrencies directly from another wallet you own, which is a straightforward process. Alternatively, if you wish to use fiat currency, you can utilize various third-party services integrated with KuCoin to purchase crypto. Another flexible option is exploring the peer-to-peer trading marketplace, allowing you to buy cryptocurrencies directly from other users using your local currency. With funds in your account, you are ready to trade. KuCoin offers a comprehensive spot trading interface where you can find hundreds of cryptocurrency pairs. You can place different types of orders, including market orders for instant execution, limit orders to set your desired price, or stop limit orders for risk management. It is good to know that trading fees are generally very competitive, often around 0.1% per trade, which is quite favorable. Finally, when you are ready to move your assets, you can easily withdraw cryptocurrencies to an external wallet address of your choice. Always double-check the withdrawal address meticulously before confirming any transaction to prevent loss of funds. Beyond withdrawals, maintaining strong security practices is paramount. Use robust, unique passwords and regularly review your account activity to ensure everything remains secure and under your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.